Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your search history on TikTok. So let's start our video. First thing you need to do is to open TikTok application on your device. Once you open the application, just tap on your profile right at the bottom. Now all you need to do is to tap on the three lines right here, and it will bring you to this menu. From this menu you need to select settings and privacy. Now from this option, all you need to do is to select Activity Center, which you will find right here. You need to tap on it, and here you will find the option Search History. All you need to do is to tap on it, and this is all the history, whatever that you have searched on your TikTok account. So how you're going to delete it? Just you need to tap on Select, go to the bottom. If you want to select some specific searches that you want to remove, you can select it one by one. But if you want to delete everything, all you need to do is to tap on this option, select all search history, and then just press delete all, and all the search history will be deleted. So guys, this is how you can delete your search history on TikTok. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.